Why does a pickle loaded after saving differs from the original object? I use Pickle in order to save a list of objects. After saving the list with Pickle and loading this very same list again, I compare the newly loaded list with the original list. Strangely, those two objects differ. Why is this the case? Shouldn't it be the same? I already tried to use only instance attributes that are defined in the init function and no class attributes, but the error remains. I expect that true will be printed out, but the result printed is false.
You haven't defined an explicit way to compare person objects. Therefore, the only way Python can compare them is by their IDs, i.e. their memory address. The address of the items you've loaded from the pickle will be different from the originals, as they must be, because they are new objects, so the lists will not compare equal. You can declare an explicit __eq___ method on the person class. Now your comparison will return true as expected.
Running your code and printing person list 1 and person list 2, it appears that you are checking if the objects are the same, not if the contents are the same. Where if you change your print statement to the following, it will yield true, because it is checking the contents.